All right. So I lost internet for a while. Sorry about that. So you see that internet is very, very important. The internet is very important. So you have to be connected to the internet for you to use Zoom, for you to use code. So you have to be connected to the internet. I hope you can hear me now. Okay. Good, good, good.
I can't hear you, ma.
Done. Can you all hear me? Can you hear me? Can you hear me?
Yes.
All right, good. Okay, I'll just unmute. I'll just mute you. Sorry, I wanted to mute you. Okay. All right, just mute yourself so you don't disturb the class. Okay, that's fine. All right. Okay, so let's arrange this. Please, if you can move faster than me, please go ahead. Go ahead. Okay.
I am already done with this.
Whoa, that's nice. That is very nice of you. Oh no. Yay. Okay, let's keep going. Let's keep going. All right, all right, all right. So I want to arrange this computer. Okay.
Here.
No, no, okay. Okay. So what did I say we're learning how to do? Who can remind me?
We're
learning how to what? Drag and drop. Okay, drag and drop. All right. So let's learn how to drag. Okay. So, go ahead and arrange. Right, so you have to try to mute yourself. Don't let me have to mute you there. If you want to talk, mute yourself, so you don't disturb the class. Okay. All right, so I want to finish this up very fast. We have like 2 more minutes before it's end of class. So let's finish this. Yes, very good. I'm done with this. Yay. Good. So when you get to this place, so when you get here, what I want you to do.
I can't see that.
Yeah? All right, so we've completed lesson 2, which is drag and drop. Now we want to go to what? Lesson 3. Lesson 3. We want to go to lesson 3. All right, so lesson 3 has a video. Okay, so we're going to watch the video. Make sure you watch the video. We're not going to watch it here. Okay, make sure you watch the video. I'm going to ask questions about the video on Telegram, so you can answer my questions. Okay, so make sure you watch this video. All right, make sure you watch this video. So you can even play it now to start watching it. So by the time you're done watching, what you need to do is click on what? Continue. When you're done watching, everybody make sure you watch this video. Okay, when you're done watching, click on what? Continue. Click on continue.
Okay.
So it will say you have completed lesson 3. If you don't watch the video, don't click on continue. Make sure you watch the video because I'm going to ask the questions. before you click on continue. So let's go to lesson 4. So I'm going to give you so lesson 4 also starts off with a video. Okay, lesson 4 also starts off with a video. Then the next thing is some practice. So some practice. So I want you to try out this. Okay, this is a game that you're going to learn how to play or how to build. Okay, this is a game I want you to try out. Make sure you try this out as well. Okay, so read the instructions, very important. You know, anytime you play a game, it's very important to read the instructions. Okay, so to get scratch to the unit to the icon, snap the the ROE block to the bottom of the when run block. So they say you should drag E and put it under when run. Then you press
I know this one.
you press the play the run button. Okay, you press the run button. So that's what they want you to do. Just click on OK. All right. So the instructions are here in case if you can't read it, you can play the voice.
To get scratch to the acorn,
So
snap the east block to the bottom of the when run block, then press run.
All right. So what did they say we should do? They said we should drag E.
I can't hear you.
Who is that? Who is that? Who cannot hear me? Who else cannot hear me? You might need to turn up your volume. I think everyone can hear me. Who else cannot hear me? You can all hear me, right? If you can't hear me, no. Can you hear me now? Someone said you cannot hear me. Let me know if you can hear me now. All right, so it said we should snap E and we should put it on the when run. Okay. All right. So let's then we should press the run button here. This one. Okay. So let's press it. Okay. So we got that. All right. So that little thing you just saw, you wrote one line of code. But in total, there are 31 lines of what? Code. So you can see, you can click on show code. All right, look at the code here. Move east, bracket, bracket, semicolon. Don't worry. I know we're not going to understand what move east, bracket, bracket is now. So that's why we're using this very interactive way to teach you. So gradually, you pick these things up gradually. And from this interactive way, you move to the advanced way of writing code. All right. So now you can decide to replay this if you didn't understand it well. And you can also click on continue to move to the next one. So I'm going to click on continue and we will see the next lesson. All right, so the next lesson, so we need to move this animal to the acorn, and the acorn needs to move how many steps? Can someone tell me? How many steps does it need to move before it can reach this? How many
Two
steps?
steps.
Two steps.
Two steps.
So we need to put 2 of this arrow under when run. Okay, so let's put 2 of that. 1, 2. Then let's click this run. Yes, we got that. Who else got that? Who else got that? Good, good. Who else got that? Please, if you didn't get that, let me know. If I'm too fast, let me know. Let me know. So this is the code. So this is the code. Move east bracket bracket semicolon. Another line. Move east bracket bracket semicolon. Okay. So as I said, gradually we're going to learn how to write it like this. But right now, just take your time, just enjoy the process. Okay. All right. So I'm just going to take one more. Then I'll leave room for questions. Then we'll call it a day and we'll give ourselves some assignments to finish lesson 4. Make sure you finish lesson 4 before the next class, lesson 4. Then if you can start, okay, you're going to finish lesson 3 and lesson 4 before the next class. Then if you can start lesson 5, go ahead. Feel free, just enjoy yourself. Okay, so now we want to move the animal to the acorn. How many steps do we need to go and in what direction? Who wants to help me with that? So how does the animal need to move? Okay,
Go forward.
Okay, how many steps forward? Someone was talking. How many steps forward? Okay.
2 steps forward.
All right. Then what next?
3. 3.
Then 1 step.
Then 1 step forward.
Up.
Submitting.
Good. So it needs to move 2 steps to the right, then 1 step what? Up. So 2 steps to the east, then 1 step north. 2 steps to the east, then 1 step north. So we already have 2 steps east here. So what we want to do is 1 step what? North. So let's play it. Yes, we got that. That's very, very correct. Good. Hope every other person got that too. Hope every other person got that too. Okay, very, very good. So, as I said, just enjoy yourself as you code. So it's very, very fun. So like this one right now, it needs to move down, then move right and right. So we're going to look at this and see if this is correct. Okay, so what we have here, down, okay, right, right, down. Uh-oh, we don't need this other down. So we're going to what? Take it away. Everybody take it away. Take it away. Good. You take it away. Good. All right, so now let's play it. Yay. Got that. Very, very good. Very good. Very good. All right. All right. All right. Okay, so we've come to the end of today's lesson. So I want us to keep practicing, ensure you're practicing. Do as many lessons as you can do, just keep doing it. If you have any questions, I'm always on the Telegram group to answer your questions. Okay, you don't have to stop now, just keep practicing. Even after I stop the class today, keep practicing. Ask me your questions on the Telegram group and I'll be there to answer you. So right now, does anyone have any question? If you have any question, just unmute yourself very, very quickly. So I take a question before we call it a day. All right, Damlala. All right, unmute yourself quickly. Okay, Ifechiko, I'm listening.
It's about coding. I tried to enter it, but they will not enter. I'm trying to enter, but I don't see anything you're seeing.
Okay, it's about code.org. So you are not seeing all of these activities, right? That's what you are saying. Okay. All right, Damlala, I'm also listening. Is that the same thing you want to ask? So you have another question?
What's the email and password?
Okay, so you have to create your own account. So you have to create your own account. Have you created your account?
No.
No. Okay, if you haven't created your account, okay, are you on the Telegram group?
Yes.
Yes. If you are, just go to the Telegram group, okay? Okay. So you see, if you are yet to create your account, click on this link and follow the steps. Okay, so go to the Telegram group, click on that link and follow the steps to create your account. So when you create your account, then you would now start with these activities that we've been doing today. Okay, so is that clear?
Yes.
You understand now? Good. Okay, so for Ifechuku, have you been able to log into your account, to your dashboard?
Yeah.
So you were able to log into your dashboard. Can you see something like this? Can you see anything that looks like this?
Yeah.
All right, so we are currently on lesson 2. Okay, we've done lesson 2. You just need to click on any of the numbers and start off, okay? We are now on lesson 4, okay? So start from the beginning, lesson 1, you go to lesson 2, go to lesson 3, then end at lesson what? 4. You can keep going until you can even go way, way, way ahead of the class, okay? So yes, as I said, keep going, enjoying yourself. Have you been able to see it now? If it's cool.
Yes.
All right. Very, very good. Thank you, everybody. We'll see you. I'll see you next week, Wednesday, same time, 11. Make sure you come, make sure you come by 11. By 10:30, start disturbing your parents. My class is by 11. My laptop, my tablet, okay? Make sure you come very early. 11, we start. Okay, bye, bye, bye.
Bye bye.
Bye.
Auntie Dami,
Hi, okay. I'm
how are you?
I'm fine.
Done, Auntie Dami.